Hey friend, your existence is enough.
Your existence is enough.
Your existence is enough.
Your existence is enough.
Hey, your existence is enough.
Existence is Enough is a non-profit organization dedicated to suicide prevention through awareness, education, and intervention. Our mission is to create a world where individuals struggling with suicidal thoughts feel seen, supported, and empowered to seek help and embrace hope. At Existence is Enough, we believe that no one should face the darkness of suicidal thoughts alone. If you or someone you know is experiencing suicidal thoughts, please seek help by calling the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline at 988.
Your existence is enough.